Good morning, students. I am Kirti Joshi, PGT Chemistry from Kendriya Vidyalaya Devas, Bhopal region. Today I am showing you that how we can perform the practical with the help of OLAPs. Just go to the Google search and type OLAPs. You can see the different subjects on OLAPs website, olaps.edu.in. Select the subject, like I have selected the chemistry subject. Here we can see a number of experiments for class 12th, class 11th, class 10th and class 9th. Whichever practical you want to show to your students, click on that. Like I am showing the paper chromatography for class 12th student. The complete sequence of the practical will appear on the OLAP site. Like here, the objective of the practical is there to separate the mixture of red and blue ink by ascending paper chromatography and find their RF values. Theory is also given. Only write about the paper chromatography in theory, uh, this much only. And then for performing the experiment, just tap on right hand side on these three lines. Some menu will appear on the left hand side. Just click on simulator. The complete setup of the practical will come on your window, and from there just select the mixture. Like I have already selected the red ink and blue ink, and then select the solvent. Already the isopropyl alcohol and water is selected here. Then on right hand side, help corner is there, that will explain you the complete procedure for performing the experiment. Like it is giving us the command that drag the capillary tube and all in sequence. So the first step of this experiment is to drag this capillary to the mixture of red and blue ink and place the drop on the paper. Once the drop will be placed on the paper, the hand will automatically uh, will disappear. And then take this, tap on this paper and drag this paper inside this jar. Now before tapping this paper, open the lid of the jar by clicking on it. Until unless you will not open the lid of the jar, uh, the paper will not move. Now after opening the jar, take this paper inside the jar and insert it and close the lid. Now see here, the solvent blue ink and red ink will start moving on the chromatography paper. The speed of the solvent blue ink red ink is different, as they have different adsorption power. After 1 hour, the movement will stop. Once the movement will stop, open the lid and remove the paper outside, and then here from the left side click show scale. From the show scale you can see the measurement or the maximum distance traveled by the solvent red ink and blue ink. You note down this reading. Solvent has traveled 5 centimeter, blue ink has traveled 4.9 and red ink has traveled 4.4 centimeter. From here you see the value, and then record this value in your copy, in your practical copy, and further calculate the RF value by using the formula. Simple RF value by using the formula distance traveled by color upon distance traveled by solvent. The RF value for blue color is distance traveled by, it is 4.9 as we have seen in the scale, and it is 5, so it will be 0.98. And the distance, the RF value for red ink is distance traveled by, it is 4.4, and solvent 5, so it is 0.88. And note down this in your copy, and in this way, with the help of OLAPs, you can complete your experiment. So different other experiment also you can do by your own also, students. So as we cannot attend the classes during this pandemic, so this OLAPs will help you to complete your practical. Thank you, students.